Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off charging sound on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you are going to find this feature and here you have to move on this sound option. So you have to click on it. After you have been click on it, you are going to find this feature. From here you have to scroll down. So here on the down you are going to find this charging sound and vibration. So if you want to off this charging sound, you just click here on this icon here like this, then this charging sound will be deactivated. And if you want to on this charging sound, again you have to click on this icon like this. Here the charging sound will be activated. Okay, so you can on off this charging sound by this icon. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.